see you anywhere. I know the war inside your head. I know the things you wish you'd said. But I'm still here, I'm still reaching for you. Through the fire, through the blood, through the things you won't say, I'll love you anyway. Through the breaking, through the lies, through the fear in your face, you don't have to hide from me. We are more than the worst we have been, more than the sins that cling to our skin. If you're lost, I will find you. If you fall, I will break with you. Through the fire, through the ruin, through the things you won't say, I'll love you anyway. Through the breaking, through the lies, through the fear in your face, you don't have to hide from me. Tell me every terrible thing you want to say. I love you anyway. I love you anyway. Through the breaking, through the lies, through the fear in your face, you don't have to hide from me. Tell me every terrible thing, let me love you anyway. I live in the clouds, I don't wanna come down. The world below is heavy, filled with noise. I watch the wind move in endless directions. Nothing reaches me here, nothing pulls me back. You can come find me when you want to, when the noise turns to static and the walls close in. I won't ask you to stay, I won't ask where you've been. Just let go and breathe in the quiet. Down there the streets are restless, faces lost in motion, people chasing something they don't understand. Up here, time moves in a different way. The sky doesn't ask questions, the sky doesn't demand. You can come find me whenever you want to, when the noise turns to static and the walls lose their color. I won't ask you to stay, I won't ask where you've been. Just let go and breathe in the quiet. Some say I'm hiding, that I've left too much behind, but they don't hear the silence the way I do. They don't feel the storms breaking apart, and they don't know what it's like to finally drift. You can come find me whenever you want to, when the noise turns to static and the walls close in. I won't ask you to stay, I won't ask where you've been. Just let go and breathe in the quiet. Down here the streets are restless, faces lost in motion, people chasing something they don't understand. I won't ask where you've been, just let go and breathe in the quiet. If you leave, I won't call after you. If you stay, I won't hold you here. The clouds don't belong to anyone, they just move where the wind takes them. close of death. They say the past will turn to dust, that all things fade with time. But even as the stars burn out, your ghost still walks with mine. It was always you in the silent dark, through hollow dreams and faded scars. No matter where the world may lead, the night still calls your name to me. Sings a mournful tune, sound waves like hands that hold. The moonlight weaves, the earth still turns. I can feel it all. They told me I would heal, to mend, to start anew. But love was never kind to me. It only ever looked like you. It was always you in the silent dark, through hollow dreams and faded scars. No matter where the road may lead, the night still calls your name to me. Sings a mournful tune, sound waves like hands that pull. When moonlight leaves, the earth still turns. I can feel it all. They told me I would heal, to mend, to start anew. But love was never kind to me. It only ever looked like you. It was always you in the dying road, through broken vows and winds that blow. No force could pull you from my mind. You never truly. It was always you through fire and rain, through silent dreams, through endless snow. No matter what felt so true, I knew it was always you. Always you. We'll hunt fire in the endless dark, chasing a dream that's lit like smoke. Your name still burns in my chest, but the flame is fading. The stars don't shine the way they used to. I watch from a void, cold. Your image lingers in the space between dreams. I hear your voice, faint, far away, but you're just a shadow now. I thought the night was only a place for us, but now it's empty, nothing but echoes. I chased your image through the fog, through the haze, but all I found were ghosts. A memory fading, and soon you too. And the world keeps turning, though I'm standing still. Is there something more beyond this? If I close my eyes forever, would you stay with me? If I never wake again, would it fine? Would it feel take away the scars in my heart? Let me feel you here tonight. I'm home again in the silence, just until I open my eyes. She told me I would know when the air turns still, when the echoes folded into nothing and the weight of silence filled the room. She did not look back. As the door closed, I fell to the dark, a shadow slipping through static, a name dissolving into the air. She did not look back. As the door closed, I fell to the dark, a shadow slipping through static, a name dissolving into the air. Oh, she said, no more waiting, no more calling, no more reaching, no more falling. You will know, soon you will know, and then dissolving into the air. Soon it's gone. I turn the lights down low. I'm trying to forget. The shadows move, but I stay still. Oh, oh. She told me I would know when the clock stopped turning, when the stars burned out too soon, when the sky held nothing but the past. Oh, she said, no more waiting, no more calling, no more reaching, no more falling. You will know, now you know. And then she was gone for the last time. I hear the wind in the empty spaces, soft and low, slipping through the cracks. Is it real or just the echoes of the things I can't take back? She told me I would know when the world felt weightless, when the cold crept through the floor, when I could no longer hear her voice anymore. But I still listen in the quiet for something left behind, a thread of sound, a distant signal that never quite arrives. She told me I would know when she didn't need me anymore. I hold it in my hands, but the cracks are already there. Soft light through the fractures, turning everything to air. Oh, oh. I'll whisper gently, and the silence answers back. Every shadow stretching longer as the edges start to black. I'm just a shadow, you'll never set free. I needed you then, I'm calling you now, but I'm only a ghost and you don't know how. The mirror holds the shape of my faded face, a voice on the wind, a flickering flame. You light all the candles and whisper my name, but you never listen. Now it's not the same. Can you feel me in the silence? Can you hear me in the rain? I told you I'm sorry, but now it's too late. I haunt the space between love and pain. I watch as the seasons keep passing by. You're learning to live while I'm stuck in time. I screamed for your love, I begged you to stay, but silence was stronger, it took me away. I told you I was sorry, but you didn't hear me. Now I'm just a whisper in the cold dark air. You finally listened, but now it's too late. I'm just a ghost.